Hello everyone, welcome to Foreigner Farming in the Philippines. Well, Marcel came up this afternoon and said it's time to harvest the rice. So, I don't know, she said she's going to talk to Consing about finding some people to do it. And I assume that will happen fairly shortly. I have no idea what the proper time frame is. Exactly when it's going to happen, but Marcel says it needs to be harvested, so day or two or three, don't know. Marcel didn't seem too pleased in the amount of rice that is in the field versus the amount of weeds. I don't know. You can see that there's rice out there. So how good the harvest will be or how bad it will be, I guess we're all going to find out in a day or two when Marcel lines up a harvest crew. She was saying maybe only 5 bags. I have no idea. 5 bags would be less than the amount of the expenses. So I have no idea. We will see. Just a quick update. Let you guys know that it's going to be happening soon. Thank you everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.